The transition from analog to digital workflows in the utility industry is being driven by life-altering natural disasters, untimely shutdowns, and deteriorating assets. The inspection of hundreds of thousands of miles of transmission and distribution lines, millions of towers and poles, and thousands of substations is an overwhelming task. The way that information is managed is a critical part of the layers of protection that keep communities and businesses safe. The convergence of better sensors, autonomous systems, artificial intelligence, and computerized management tools is enabling more accurate and efficient workflows. Aerial Alchemy has developed an end-to-end process that is open and extensible, integrating data from different disciplines into a complete management system. This innovative framework provides a platform for organizations to monitor the status of their projects, deploy teams in the field, track the data from capture through processing and storage, and adapt plans according to situational feedback. Our LiDAR point clouds and orthophoto image-based maps guide inspections and support construction with 3D models that are invaluable. We use thermal imagery to detect hotspots from overheating equipment. Topographic images can be used to analyze volumes, reveal environmental details, and assess complex natural disasters. Other sensors and processes can be added to meet specific requirements. Our platform has the ability to track data assets in a timely manner, enabling managers, operators, and service providers to communicate their areas of responsibility more effectively. Good data drives good decisions. We are passionate about innovating and transforming the way that remote data is collected and processed to solve large-scale infrastructure issues. Working together enables us to combine science, technology, and imagination to provide a solution to critical problems in your business.